Welcome back to Chef and Taste. Today I'm making restaurant-style chicken wraps and it takes just 20 minutes. Let's get started. First we'll need 500 grams of chicken. Add half a cup of thick curd. The curd tenderizes the chicken beautifully and adds that creamy tang. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili, and half tablespoon paprika powder for a subtle smokiness. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce for umami depth, half tablespoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi powder, half teaspoon oregano for a fusion twist, and 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Add salt to taste. Now mix everything thoroughly. Make sure every piece of chicken is well coated with this flavorful marinade. The yogurt and spices need to penetrate the meat. Let this marinate for 15 minutes. While the chicken rests, we'll prep our veggies. Take shredded cabbage and steam it for 5 to 6 minutes. Steaming keeps it crunchy yet soft, perfect texture for our wrap. Don't overcook it. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 5 to 6 crushed garlic pods. Fry them till golden brown. This releases those aromatic oils that will coat our chicken beautifully. If you love bold, spicy chicken preparations, check out my chicken tikka masala recipe at the top right corner. Add the marinated chicken to the hot garlicky oil. Let the chicken cook on medium heat. Don't stir too much initially. Let it sear and develop that golden crust. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Let it absorb any released water completely. This concentrates the flavors and gives you that restaurant-style dry masala texture. While the chicken finishes cooking, let's make our signature wrap sauce. Start with 1 cup of mayonnaise. This creates that creamy, rich base. Add half teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon BBQ sauce for smokiness, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce for tang, 1 teaspoon paprika powder for color and mild spice. Add fresh coriander leaves if you like. It's optional but adds freshness. Mix this well until you get a smooth, vibrant sauce. The color should be beautiful, creamy orange with flecks of green. This sauce is what makes this wrap irresistible. Now comes the fun part. Place your tortilla on a clean surface. Spread our prepared mayo sauce right at the center. Don't go all the way to the edges. Leave about an inch border. Add a generous layer of that steamed cabbage. This adds crunch and freshness to balance the rich chicken. Now add our perfectly cooked chicken masala. See how dry and flavorful it looks? That's exactly what we want. Layer some sliced tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes add juiciness and a slight acidity. Drizzle more mayo sauce and a touch of tomato sauce on top. This ensures every bite is saucy and delicious. Now, fold the bottom up first, then fold both sides inward and roll it tight. The key is to wrap it firmly so nothing falls out when you bite into it. And there you have it, a restaurant quality chicken wrap. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Chef and Taste for more delicious recipes every week. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our next culinary adventure.